turn and learn ABC. Let's get started with the letter B. What is this? There is something purple. Another purple. I think this is a wing. Another wing. I think these are legs and the body. It is the butterfly. Butterfly begins with the letter B. What a beautiful butterflies! B. Let's learn something new. What it is? Oh, there's nothing. I think I know what it is. Again, nothing? Yes! I know what it is. Book! It is a book. Book begins with the letter B. So, what will you be reading today? B. Let's learn something new with the letter B. This looks like a face. That might be the legs. Those are the antennae. I know what it is. Yes! Those are the eyes. Oh yes, this is a honeybee. B begins with the letter B. Honeybee. What a beautiful honeybee it is. So, do you remember what we discovered today? Book, a butterfly, and a bee. Excellent job. Bye for now.